How to send photos using AirDrop on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to send photos or videos using AirDrop on iPhone, you have to make sure that the person whom you're transferring the photos to have their AirDrop turned on. If they don't know, you can ask them to swipe down from the top right, and then you need to tap on the circle, various circles like icon. This is the AirDrop, and you need to make sure that it is set to everyone. Now you can head over to your photos and then choose the photo that you want to airdrop, and then you will see upward arrow icon in the bottom left. Tap on it. There you'll find airdrop option. Tap on it, and the person who has airdrop on will appear here. You just need to tap on it, and now the person will need to accept the airdrop, and then that's it. It's done. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.